How to fix Instagram Reels scroll down problem. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check the stories on your device. For that, launch settings, navigate to the option general, click on the option iPhone storage. Now here you have to offload or delete the unused apps. Likewise, open the app Instagram, click on offload app, click on offload app, then click on reinstall app. This will clear cache for the Instagram app. Likewise, update the Instagram app. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. Likewise, next thing you want to do is give a fresh restart to your device. Then uninstall the Instagram app. For that, press and hold on the Instagram app. Click on the option delete app. Click on delete. Once you delete the app, launch your App Store again, search for the app Instagram, and then install it. Applying the solution, your problem will be fixed. So this way you can fix Instagram Reels scroll down problem. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.